Hey Radha guys, my name is Arun Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's train video without having any further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what's actually happening in today's routine. First of all, this video is about to going to the routine of 19th August 2024 of the day 257. So I think that guys, you have guessed that what's the day and what's the festival is today. So basically, guys, if you are from India, then maybe you know about that, but you are foreign, I can't say that you know about it, because it's not your fault, okay? Because in your country, I don't think that festival was celebrated, will celebrate or celebrates, okay? So basically the thing is simple. Today is the Raksha Bandhan, and if you don't know about what is Raksha Bandhan, and I obviously know that most of the people who is watching me is from India, so obviously they know about it. But if some foreigner person if watching, and if you don't know about it, what is Raksha Bandhan, so basically let me tell you what is Raksha Bandhan festival actually and what happened today actually. So basically it is a Hindu religious festival, but it is in India made by a majority of all the religion persons, like a Muslim also, but Muslim Sikh also, and it is totally depends on their mind. But it is a Hindu festival, and we Hindu can't told anybody that you can't celebrate our festival, because we are Hindu, and we have too much mercy. That means we are very kind in behavior, and to the everybody, and we can't think about anybody any fault statement in our mind. So I don't know why which topic I'm going. I don't know what I'm talking to about you, but the thing is simple. Okay. So basically, Raksha Bandhan is a festival of siblings. Wait, guys. It is a festival of brother and sister, the bond of brother and sister. So basically the thing is that the sister takes a thread. Basically, they takes a thread, and not only the thread, they takes a kind of variety of threads they have actually, and basically they take threads. I'm going to show you what's thread actually, because I also have. So that threads determines the love and affection between the siblings. That means brother and sisters, and that thread sister takes and put it down to the brother's wrist. Okay, so puts down, and basically we call Rakhi that. And I don't want to know about it, what we call Rakhi in English, because it is a Hindu Indian name, and I don't want to change to the anybody. And basically it is started from the when Raksha Bandhan is started. From that time, this name is Rakhi. I think so. Maybe I don't know exactly about it, but I think so. Okay, so let me show you my Rakhi. So here is I have three sisters. So here is the three Rakhi. So as I already told you, it is kind of simple thread also, as well as designer thread also, where something different kinds of decoration also happened in there. So yeah, let me show you. As you can see, let me focus. So here is Sri, here is written, and this is also Iraqi, and this is also Iraqi. Basically my two sisters is here right with me, and the third sister is in Bihar, but on behalf of that somebody, my sister put Rakhi on behalf of her. Okay, so 1 2 3. So basically this is the kind of thread, and this is the bond of love, okay, between the siblings. And yeah, this is the festival of Raksha Bandhan, and basically it's the today Raksha Bandhan period started from, I think that maybe from 1 p.m. started, just because of some Hindu culture and religion is according to the mythology. Maybe I don't know exactly about it. Something is wrong if you celebrate this festival before 1 p.m. Okay, so that's why all the festivals started from the after 1 p.m. People who don't know about that, they started from the morning, and I don't think it is any bad thing, because they don't know about it. If they know about that, then they should start from after the 1 p.m. I don't know the exact time, but maybe it starts from 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Okay, so guys, till yet I hope you will understand till yet what is actually Raksha Bandhan. Okay, so without having any further delay, let's start today's routine video. Otherwise all the videos will cover in the topic of Raksha Bandhan. Okay, So yeah, so basically guys, today I woke up it very soon, maybe around 7:30 I woke up. Basically after waking up I went to the ground floor and I washed my mouth, and after that I came to the first floor because my mother told me that you should take bath today at 1 p.m. So after that I started studying, and so, a little bit I studied, a little bit I used my phone, and throughout the I didn't do much thing anything. After that I didn't do much thing. I went to the bathroom, and after that I came until yet 1 p.m. happened, and after that I brought my clothes, and after that I went to the ground floor. After that I had taken the bath, and I was totally ready for the festival. Okay, so yeah. After that I sat down the table, and my sisters was preparing for everything and doing the arrangement, everything about the festival. So basically this is a thing which was actually happening on that time. And yeah, after that I have two stand, a mobile stand. So basically I just wanted to shoot video like in an actual film actually happened, where the cameraman shoots in the actual show, like actually in movie. So I just only wanted to try to say like that. I also wanted to shoot like that. So I've situated my two stand, and with two mobiles I situated, and I tried to shoot video. But unfortunately that was not enough successful. But I have to edit. After that I'll tell you what's the result actually. Okay, so after that all the festival happens, and my both the sisters put Rakhi on my wrist, and on the third on behalf of third sister, my one of the sisters put, because she was in Bihar and I am in Delhi, so it is not possible to do that thing. Okay, so that's why I'm telling to you this happened. So yeah, and after that I didn't do much thing. And what actually happened after that? After that I didn't do much thing. Basically, I ate dal pitti. Okay, basically it is a night's food. And after that I didn't do much thing. I just tried to take rest, and after that I didn't do much thing. And at the time of evening, basically what happened actually at the time of evening, I ate paneer sabzi plus rice. Okay, so after that, after eating, I went for doing the pee, and after that I came to the first floor, and after that I started shooting the video. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened today. I hope you'll understand till here. If you really understand till here, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a continuous manner. So you already know that I daily learn 5 or 10 words vocabulary, but today nowadays I'm going to just learning only 5 words vocabulary, just because it has overburden. It happens if I learn 10 words at a continuous manner. But at the starting, at the initial time when I started the learning the vocabulary, I just tried to do 10 words daily, 10 words daily, 10 words daily, and then after that I learned. But it's at the end it's being overburden. But yeah, I tried to that. If some easy vocab came, then I will try to learn 10 vocab, otherwise 5. Okay, so yeah. So our first word is forever. Forever means हमेशा के लिए. तुम मेरी दोस्त हमेशा के लिए हो. You are my friend forever. Nobody can change. Nobody will disturb in our friendship. And this is the thing you should be right in your mind. And please, I don't want to repeat this again. You was my friend, you are my friend, and you will my friend. So yeah, our second word is used to. Okay, used to means guys something will wait guys. Used to means guys something which I do in the past. Like wait guys, something which I do in the past. Like I used to go Arya Samaj. As I already told you in the previous video, I go to the Arya Samaj, but nowadays I don't go. So I can tell that मैं आर्य समाज जाया करता था. I used to go आर्य समाज. I used to go बुढ़ेला ट्यूशन. Right? So yeah. Our third word is deformed. Deformed means बदले हुए आकार. तुम्हारा आकार बिल्कुल बदल गया है. You are totally deformed. I have some downtrain deformed, but I will really do something in this example. Okay? So our fourth word is contempt. Contempt means तिरस्कार. मैं तुम्हारा तिरस्कार करता हूँ, मुझे तुम्हारी ज़रूरत नहीं है. I contempt you, I don't need of yours. Okay? I contempt you. Because you are not the proper person who is capable for doing this work. That's why I contempt you. Yeah. Fifth word is grow up. Grow up means guys बड़े हो जाओ. Grow up, man. What are you doing? You are doing your childish behavior. Don't do this. At this point of time, you should grow up. Grow up, man. Please try to understand. Don't mind my words, but it is the harsh reality of yours. Grow up, man. Okay, so basically, guys, I hope you'll understand till yet, and we have completed today's 5 words, and I think that we have to start daily 2 page learning with do. So yeah, let me check it. After that, we will start. So our first word is आज्ञाकारी, इज ओबीडियंटली, आज्ञा का पालन करना, ओबे, युद्ध, वार, चापलूसी करना, इज फ्लैटरिंग, पसंद करना, इज प्रेफर, फिर भी, एनीवे, और कुछ मीन्स इट इज़ एनीथिंग एल्स, रूढ़िवादी, कंजर्वेटिव, ऊबर, ऊबर इज बम्पी, भयंकर, इट्स टेरिफाइड, ऑफुल, इट्स ऑफुल, समुद्र में यात्रा करना, क्रूज, या टकराना इज बार्गेन, सॉरी, बम्प्ड, सौदा, बार्गेन, सहयोग, कोइंसिडेंस, पीछा करना, फॉलो, निगरानी, सुपरवाइज, पीड़ित इज विक्टिम. ओके, इट्स विक्टिम. You are playing a victim game. Maybe I listened somewhere. So I don't know exactly about it. Maybe it happens. No, I don't know exactly about it. I have some doubt in this example. Okay, so let me write it here. I will really do something. Wait, guys. So yeah, saman is stuff. Murti, sculpture. Bhavya, gorgeous. Murtikar, sculpture, and Murtikar is sculptor. Yeah. आकर्षक इज फैसिनेटिंग, कल्पना, फैंटेसी, जबरदस्त, फैंटास्टिक, प्रेरित इज इंस्पायर्ड, मुझे खुशी हुई, माई प्लेजर, क्षमता, कैपेसिटी, उत्तेजित, एक्साइट, गंध, स्मेल, टालना, अवॉइड, स्वाद, टेस्ट, स्वादिष्ट, डिलीशियस. सो पतला दुबला इज स्किनिंग, कमाल का, टेरिफिक, बिस्कुट, कुकीज, but we call biscuit also in English biscuit, and why we say that cookies, but we say that cookies in somewhere I saw, but I'm regarding some doubt. Basically the thing is simple. Maybe maybe it happened. Let me tell you. In Hindi, biscuit. In English, biscuit. Maybe it's some right I'm telling. I don't know exactly about it. Nasta, breakfast, काटना, bite. Sorry, yeah, काटना means bite. कद्दू, pumpkin, मटर, पीस, चुकंदर, बीटरूट, तोड़ी is ridged gourd, पीछा करते हुए, चेसिंग, मुकदमा चलाना, स्यू, सोच विचार, कंसिडरेशन, बाध्यकारी होने की क्षमता, एनफोर्सेबिलिटी, सहमति, कंसेंट, अपहरण करना, किडनैप, उल्लंघन, वायलेशन, लागू करने योग्य, एनफोर्सेबल, दायित्व, ऑब्लिगेशन, कानूनी, लीगल, समझौता, एग्रीमेंट, बनाता है, क्रिएट्स, कहा, सेड, प्रतिबंधित, रोक, मना, फॉरबिडन, खिलाफ, अगेंस्ट, स्पष्ट रूप से, एक्सप्रेसली, अमान्य, वॉइड, घोषित, डिक्लेयर्ड, बांधने वाला, बाइंडिंग, अपनी इच्छा से, वॉलंटरीली, न्यायिक, जुडिशियल, पहले के फैसले, प्रेसिडेंट्स, रुकना, बंद होना, सीजेस. So yeah, we are very near to reach our. Today we will complete all the examples, all the vocabulary. One page is remaining, which I have already told you I have some mistake done from that. Here I have written maybe just example, not exactly. Here I have written here consent, and in the next line I have wrote this amity. So this is the something happened. That's why I basically something फाड़ देना, like page फाड़ देना, what we call in English. I've learned this, but I don't know exactly about it. Okay, I've learned this, I know. Yeah, so I've situated somewhere. Prompt, तत्पर, हुक्म, dictating, चिल्लाना, shouting, shout, बन गया, became, घृणा, hatred, बिल्कुल भी, at all, आसपास, nearby, साथ में, with, along, only along. वैसे sorry guys, why I'm using वैसे it's साथ is equal to साथ is equal to with and साथ में is equal to along. पूरा entire पंडित scholar और priest सुनाना रिसाइट भयभीत टेरिफाइड अधिक से अधिक एटमॉस्ट बढ़कर स्वेल्ड आगाह वार्न्ड अपेक्षा करना एक्सपेक्ट क्रम से लगाना सोल्ट अज्ञान इग्नोरेंस काटना रीप ऋणी इंडेटेड हमेशा के लिए फॉरएवर करता था यूज टू बदले हुए आकार डिफॉर्म्ड तिरस्कार कंटेम्प्ट बड़े हो जाओ ग्रो अप. So basically guys, we have completed all the example from the tomorrow. We will learn from the first 2 pages started, okay? So I think it is good that we are completing all the vocabulary and without having any kind of extra efforts, okay? Not too much extra effort, but I am doing my effort as I can, okay? So basically guys, this is the words which we have learned today, and yeah, so today is the Raksha Bandhan, as I already told you about the Raksha Bandhan, and I don't think that anything is remaining to tell you about that. So, one thing I wanted to request you guys that if you are watching my videos and you have found any kind of mistake like a grammatical mistakes when I speak in sentence, any grammatical error, so you kindly please tell me in the comment section so that I can see and I will improve my English speaking skills. If you do this, then I will really appreciate you that you are trying to help me to improve my speaking skills, English speaking skills, okay? So I think it is enough for today guys, so let's end the video guys. See you Radhe, bye bye.